In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Reminder in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can quickly clean up any reminders you no longer need. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that holds the reminder you want to remove. If you use multiple accounts, double-check the profile picture or account switcher in the top right corner so you're in the right calendar. Give the page a second to load. You should see your calendar in day, week, month, or another view. Next, find the reminder you want to delete. Reminders typically appear with a small bell icon and may show up at a specific time or as an all-day item at the top of the date. If you don't see it right away, change the view to day or week to get a closer look, or navigate to the correct date using the arrows near the top. You can also use the search bar to type a keyword from the reminder's title and jump directly to it. Once you spot the reminder, click it to open its details. A small panel or dialog will pop up with the reminder's title, date, time, and options. Inside that details panel, look for the trash can icon labeled Delete. Click the Delete icon to remove the reminder. This action permanently removes it from your calendar, so make sure you've selected the correct item. If you're asked to confirm, choose Delete again to finalize. Sometimes, if the reminder is part of a repeating series, you may be prompted to decide whether to delete just this occurrence or the entire series. Pick the option that matches what you want to remove. After you confirm, the reminder will disappear from your calendar view. If you have the calendar open on multiple devices, it may take a moment to sync everywhere. A quick refresh can help you see the change immediately on the web. A couple of tips before we wrap up. If you intended to keep the reminder but change its timing, you can edit it instead of deleting by opening the reminder and selecting Edit. Also, if your account has migrated reminders to Google Tasks, these items may appear as tasks in Calendar. The deletion process is essentially the same. Open the item and use the trash can icon. That's it. You've opened Google Calendar, click the reminder, hit the delete icon, and confirmed when prompted. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to tidy up your calendar.